The Clever Jackal. Chapter 1 of Class 4. Let us read and understand what's it here. Before you read, have you ever found yourself in a difficult situation? Yes, this is very common in somebody's life. You might have found yourself in a difficult situation. कुछ ना कुछ difficulty सबकी life में आती है. Then sometimes we are able to make good decision and sometimes not. And sometimes we need the help of others and sometimes we manage on our own. This happens in everybody's life. Everybody faces this and that difficult situation sometime or the other. How did you come out of it? With your good decision, strong willpower, with your faith, with the help of family, with the help of your friends, you come out of that situation. Read the story, following a story to find out how the clever jackal got out of a difficult situation. Yes, in this story there is clever jackal. Jackal is very clever and he also had a difficult situation, and with his intelligence, wisdom, wit and cleverness he was able to overcome that difficult situation. Finally he got the solution and saved his life. Let us see how the story goes. Once upon a time, एक बार. Most of the stories starts with that once upon a time with this phrase. There lived a cruel and ferocious lion in a deep forest. Who lived in the deep forest? A cruel and ferocious lion. What are the qualities? What are the adjectives used for lion is cruel and ferocious. Cruel means one who is not kind and ferocious means one who is violent, बहुत लड़ाकू, मारने वाला, खाने वाला, inhuman, दुष्ट. He lived in the deep forest. He killed and ate any animal that came his way. What did he used to do in the forest? He used to kill and eat the animals that came on his way. उसके रास्ते में उसके सामने जो भी एनिमल्स आते थे वो उनको मारकर खा जाता था. Came on his way means to say he is roaming, he is sitting, he is going, he is watching, he is whosoever he meet someone unexpectedly he used to eat. All the animals of the jungle were afraid of him. Point to be noted here, afraid is always followed by the preposition of. All the animals in the jungle were afraid of him. Why the animals in the jungle were afraid of him? Because he used to kill and eat the animals. That's why all the animals in the jungle were very afraid. So, here are some difficult words also like ferocious, cruel, afraid. Learn these spellings: F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S, ferocious, and afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Learn the spellings and meaning as well also. One day, what happens? Let us see what happens one day. We have come to know there was a ferocious lion, cruel lion, lived in the forest. He used to kill the animals, eat the animals, and all the animals in the jungle were very afraid. Now one day, what happened? All the animals decided to hold a meeting. Yes, meeting was required because day by day, the lion was eating the animals. Number of animals were going down and down. There many of the friends are missed. Now what to do? So they planned a meeting. They hold a meeting, decided to hold a meeting in order to solve this problem. Why was the meeting held? Meeting was held to solve the problem. And what was the problem? The problem was that the lion in the deep forest used to eat and kill the animals in the forest. The wise old owl proposed. Wise old owl. Adjectives of or qualities of owl is owl was wise, owl was old. Wise old owl proposed means suggested, gave his suggestion. अपना suggestion क्या दिया उसने? क्या दिया होगा उसने suggestion? Can you think so? What was the suggestion that wise old owl would have given? क्या दिया होगा उसने suggestion? Can you think? Yes, let us see what he has given. That each day one animal should go to the lion as his meal. रोज daily one animal will go to the lion as his meal. Day by day, every day. This was not the best solution. Do you think so this is the best solution? No, because one of the animal will be killed. This is not fair. But since the animals were tired of living in fear all the time, all the animals were in fear. डर लग रहा था उनको, सोते जागते दिन में रात में, all the time they were living in fear. Why? Because anytime the lion can come, kill them and eat them. So they were in fear all the time. They reluctantly agreed. Reluctantly, Reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly, बिना इच्छा के. मन तो नहीं था कि कोई भी एनिमल जाए. Okay, nobody wanted to go. Okay, nobody wanted to die. Nobody wanted to be eaten up by the lion. So they were unwilling. They did not want to go there. But क्या करते? There was no other solution in their mind. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. So they said, okay, yes, one animal will go to the lion as his meal every day. वो agree हो गए. Unwillingly, बिना इच्छा से, उनका मन नहीं था. But they agreed. They said yes. Owl की बात पे. What wise old owls proposed. Okay, they agreed. They said yes, okay. This solution is better now. They all went to the lion and told him about their proposal. And they together, after the meeting, they went to the lion and said that their proposal is this. And what was their proposal? And their proposal was that each day one animal would go to the lion as his meal. And the lion can eat. Lion need not to go anywhere, to run anywhere, to roam anywhere. कहीं भी जाने की लाइन को ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक एक एनिमल उसके पास आराम से खाने के लिए आ जाएगा और तुम आराम से रेस्ट करो यहाँ पे अपने डेन में. ओके. The lion agreed. Lion said yes, okay, fine. I need not to go anywhere. One animal will come to me to eat. I will have my meal. I will have had my fill. मुझे अपना खाना मिल जाएगा. I will not be hungry. It's fine. He did not oppose anything. उसने कुछ भी नहीं बोला. He agreed. उसको तो क्या था, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी ना थी. उसको तो अच्छा था कि वो ऐसे ही एनिमल्स आ जाएंगे, उसे कहीं जाना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, सर्च भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, उसको एनिमल्स मिल जाएंगे एंड फूड मिल जाएगा उसको. ओके. Now the animals decided among themselves to take turns to go to the lion as per their plan and proposal of the wise old owl. Wise old owl's proposal was that one animal will go every day to the lion as a meal. So animals decided that whose turn will be there. What they have done to take the turn? Maybe the chit picking, maybe the numbers, maybe playing the game. They have decided that who will go first, the next day, the next day, the next day. They have made the turns. The first day, a deer was sent to the lion. Who was sent on the first day? A deer was sent to the lion on the first day. Okay. His wife, the doe, cried all day. Who cried all day? Deer's wife, the doe. Why cried all the day? Because the deer was sent to the lion as his meal. ओके, वापस तो आएगा नहीं हम, तो अब उनको तो दे वर लिविंग डियर फॉर एवर, हमेशा के लिए उसको छोड़ रहे थे, तो दे मस्ट बी क्राइंग. Yes, this is very genuine thing. This is very like a normal thing that they will cry simply, and they were very upset कि अब deer चला जाएगा, the lion will kill the deer and eat, and deer will not come back. How they will live their life? Deer is their dear one. Okay. Now there are some difficult words. Learn these spellings. That ferocious, Ferocious, ferocious. Proposed, Proposed, proposed. And reluctantly, Reluctantly, reluctantly. Meaning of this is, ferocious means violent, inhuman. Propose means suggested. Okay. Reluctantly means unwillingly. You may be asked to make the sentences also. How you will make the sentence? Ferocious. Which animal is ferocious? Lion is a very ferocious animal. Or ferocious, being ferocious and cruel is not good. Okay? Nobody should be ferocious or cruel or violent to somebody. One should remain cool, calm, happy. Now, propose means suggested. You get many suggestions. Day by day, daily. Mama suggested you something. Papa suggested you something. Teacher suggested you something. And you also suggest something to your parents or your friends also. Okay. So, what did you suggest? What was your proposal? You can make the sentence on your own. And reluctantly, unwillingly. Yes, इच्छा से या अनिच्छा से. You do so many work willingly, अपनी इच्छा से, choice से. Wow, I will do this. And some mama says, बेटा करो ना, and then you will do that unwillingly. बिना इच्छा से आप करते हो. There are many works you can make sentence from that. Now here is came his way to meet someone unexpectedly. अचानक से हमें कोई मिल जाता है. We go to the market, we meet somebody on the way. Means they came to your way. And living in fear, डर में रहना. Yes, to always think about a scary thing or event. You are in fear sometimes. You are in fear. What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? It's night. It's dark outside. Some noises are coming. Then you are living in fear. Means डर में रह रहे हो आप. डर रहे हो. Okay? You should not live in fear. Now let us see what happens the next. The next day, a rabbit was sent. Her little children were very upset and did not eat anything for 3 days. This is very normal. जो कोई upset होगा, उसको भूख लगेगी नहीं, प्यास नहीं लगेगी. He is not willing to eat. He is not willing to drink. He is not willing to do any of the thing. Means unwillingly. खा रहे होंगे, नहीं खा रहे होंगे. Okay. A whole month went by this way. This way means to say इसी तरीके से 1 month हो गया. Means 30 days. 30 days gone. One animal every day. Means 30 animals were eaten by the lion. Very bad. The animals were sad to see their friends and family members leaving one by one. But there seemed no solution in sight. In sight means उनके mind में कोई solution नहीं आ रहा. They are not able to get any solution. How to stop that killing of those animals? कैसे इस killing को रोके हम? They could not get any solution. They could not get any answer. They could not get any idea to save the life of their friends in the forest. One sunny day, one sunny morning. Sunny morning means to say, you know that sun shines in the morning, and when there is sunlight, where there is sun heat, that day is called sunny. And it shines in the morning. It's sunny morning. One day, it was the turn of Jacob. here the story takes turn. यहाँ पे स्टोरी टर्न लेती है. What's the turn? Earlier they were going one by one for 1 month. One animal was going and eaten up by the lion. Okay, now it was the turn of Jackal. His entire family came to say their final goodbyes. Why final goodbyes? Because he was going and they knew that the lion will kill and eat him. Now they were very sad, but they have to say their goodbye to him. Okay. Then they were very sad. Now Jackal will go. Like all the other animals, he also did not want to go to the lion. Nobody wants. He also have the same feeling, but left all his friends and family members half-heartedly, unwillingly, बिना मन से. कौन जाना चाहता है? Nobody wants to be killed. Nobody wants to be eaten up by the lion. Half-heartedly, किसी ना किसी को तो जाना था, because they have made this plan, they have made this put the proposal in front of the lion. तो किसी ना किसी को तो जाना था. तो then he went half-heartedly, unwillingly. Half-heartedly means unwillingly, and one more word you have read in that, reluctantly means unwillingly. As he was walking towards the lion's den. You know lion lives in a den? Yes. He was walking towards the lion's den. He came up with an idea, and on the way he got an idea. सोचता जा रहा था वो, सोचता जा रहा होगा ना कि क्या करूं, हाउ टू सेव माई लाइफ, हाउ टू सेव माई लाइफ, व्हाट शुड आई डू, व्हाट शुड आई डू. तो ही गॉट एन आइडिया. यस, ही डेलिबरेटली, जानबूझ कर, knowingly, he knew that what he is doing. He deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. What did Jackal do? Jackal deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. Where late? To the lion's den. It was his plan. The lion was hungry, and hunger had made him angrier than usual. Usual means as normal. Normal से ज़्यादा hungry हो रहा था because he reached late. और जब आपको फूड लेट मिलेगा तो यू विल बी एंग्री. सेम एज द लायन वॉज ऑल्सो एंग्री बिकॉज ऑफ हंगर. उसको तो बहुत तेज भूख लगी थी. नाउ द लायन वॉज एंग्री बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी हंग्री एंड द क्लेवर Jackal reached very late. Why did he reach very late? Because he made a plan. That's why he walked very slowly and reached late. Let us see what was his plan. Can you imagine what was his plan? Let us see what goes in this story. By the time the Jackal arrived, the lion was ready to eat him up at once. तुरंत, at once, तुरंत उसको खाना चाहता था. Because he was very much hungry, moreover angry. Oh. The Jackal was very respectfully apologized for being late. Said sorry. Lion, the king, I got very late. Very respectfully, he said, I am very sorry that I got late. Apologize means feeling sorry or saying sorry. APOLOGISED. Apologize means feeling sorry or saying sorry. He also said sorry for being late. देर से आया हूँ, sorry तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा ना. And informed him. और उसको बताया. क्या बताया होगा? Can you think? क्या बोला होगा उसको? That he had set off with 2 of his friends. Set off means started with 2 of his friends as part of the lion's meal. 2 more friends were with him. उसके साथ lion meal के लिए आ रहे थे. As they have started very early in the morning only, but got late. What happened on the way? Let us see. However, on their way, they were attacked by another lion. Oh, another lion met to them, who said that he was the king of their jungle. What an idea! Another lion met to the clever Jackal on the way, and he said that he is the king of the jungle and now he will kill the animals and he will eat as his meal. Now, after hearing this, the other lion had eaten both his friends. So what will happen? What this lion will do? Obviously, this is very natural. This is very clear, obvious. कि lion will be very angry. एक तो hungry, ऊपर से another lion met on the way and eaten up two of his animals. Very bad. It was with great difficulty that he had managed to escape. And the clever jackal, who was it here? The clever jackal with great difficulty had managed to escape. बच के निकल आया उनसे. Otherwise तो first lion might have another lion might have eaten him also. और आज तो ये lion भूखा रह जाता. But in very great difficulty, however, in any of the way, I could manage to run away and reach. बड़ी मुश्किल से यहाँ पे आ गया. So let us see what are the difficult words here. Half-heartedly means unwillingly. Deliberately, knowingly, जान पूछ कर. He knew what he is doing. He knew what will the result of that. But he was doing. Usual means normal. Normally, generally जैसा होता है. And apologize means said sorry. Learn the spellings also. APOLOGISED, apologized. Heartedly, HEARTEDLY, heartedly. Usual, USUAL, usual. And many more. Let us see what is this. No solution in sight means when no answer can be found. They cannot think what could be done. Okay? To say their final goodbyes, to say goodbye for their last time. Because, why? Because the clever jackal was going forever. He had set off means begin a journey. You set off for a journey, you also begin a journey means you set off. Means start a journey. Okay? Continue reading this. Now, the lion was furious on hearing this. गुस्सा तो आना ही था. Usual, it's normal. उसी को fear, angry तो होना ही था. Lion was very angry. Why lion was angry? Because clever jackal said that he and his two friends were coming to him. Another lion met on the way and he said that I am the king and eaten up two other animals. Hearing this, the lion was very angry. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. वहाँ पे जाना है. और what will happen? Can he show another lion to him? What goes in your mind? दिखा देगा वो another lion or not? Jackal took him to a well. Very clever. Good idea. Jackal took him to a well. Where did Jackal took the lion? Jackal took the lion to a well. The lion saw his reflection in water and well you know कुआं होता है, एक गहरा गड्ढा होता है, उसमें बहुत सारा वाटर होता है, बहुत गहरा. Okay, and there is water. And water में you know you can see your reflection, अपना ही face देखोगे. But lion did not know कि water में reflection होता है. उसी का reflection वो ही खुद ही उसमें water में दिखाई दे रहा है. Lion did not know this. So he thought that there is another lion in this well. He saw his reflection in the water and thought that it was the other lion. He was so angry that without thinking, he pounced at his own reflection. Pounced means jumped on his own reflection. And jumped कहाँ पे? Reflection was in the well. And well is very deep and there is water also. तो क्या होगा? Deep है, water है, तो क्या होगा? What will happen? Let us see. And fell into the well. और गिर गया. He struggled for some time to save himself. हाथ पैर मारे उसने. Try किया. Struggle किया to save himself to come up but could not. But finally drowned. डूब गया. But finally drowned. Okay. Where did clever jackal take him? Clever jackal took him to the well What happened there in the well? What did lion see in the well? Lion saw his own reflection in the water. What did the lion think? Lion thought that there is another lion in the well. He has no idea that reflection comes on water. Okay. Then what did the lion do? Lion pounced into the well. And what happened when he pounced into the well? He struggled for some time but finally drowned. Now what will happen? Lion तो मारा गया, है ना? Let us see spellings. Furious, F-U-R-I-O-U-S. Learn the spellings also. Pounced, P-O-U-N-C-E-D, pounced. Struggled, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E-D, struggled. And drowned, D-R-O-W-N-E-D, drowned. Meaning of this is furious means angry. You need to make sentence also angry. You get angry, your parents get angry, your family friends get angry. You might have seen or you must be knowing that being angry is not good. So you can make any sentence. Pounced, jumped. Attacked. Struggled, fought, made an effort. किसी काम के लिए प्रयास करना. Make trial, make practice, try करना. Making effort again and again means struggled. Drowned, died by suffocating in water. पानी में डूब जाना. Okay. The clever jackal's intelligence. Yes, clever jackal's intelligence. Good plan, idea. Had saved all the other animals of the forest. Why? Because of clever jackal's intelligence, the lion was drowned, डूब गया, and died. And then there was no one to kill the animals, no one to eat the animals. Okay, they were very thankful to him. Him to means clever jackal. All the animals in the forest were very thankful to the jackal and lived in the forest peacefully ever after. Why peacefully in the forest ever after? Peacefully कैसे रहने लगे? Because there was no lion to eat them up, kill them up. Now they are free to go anywhere. Nobody was there to harass. Nobody was there to eat. They were not in fear. They can enjoy their freedom. They can enjoy their life. So they were very peaceful and peacefully lived in the forest. This is the story of Panchatantra, an age-old Indian collection of animal stories. In that book, Panchatantra, there are many stories. Panchatantra is a book written by Vishnu Sharma. There are many stories of animals that gives us a moral, gives us a lesson, and to understand, to have good presence of mind. They have been believed to be written by the Sanskrit scholar Vishnu Sharma and which usually contain a moral. The animals in these stories are usually given certain qualities which help them in different situations. And this story also teaches you that with your intelligence and wit and wisdom, you can overcome difficult situations. Yes, अपनी बुद्धिमानी से, अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से, अपने प्रूडेंस से, अपने बिहेवियर से we can win any of the battle. We can win any of the problem, or we can overcome any of the difficult situation. Nothing is impossible, nothing is difficult if we had good mind, good thinking, good thought, and good ideas. Okay, so this is the lesson of the story. In difficult situations, do not leave hope. Have faith, have hope, and face this difficult situation bravely. Okay, with your intelligence, you can save your life and others too. Thank you. That's all for this lesson, The Clever Jackal. Keep reading. Thank you. Have a nice time.